Welcome to ResizeFlow. If you create digital wall art for Etsy, you likely already use Photoshop. It's a powerful tool for creation. But once your artwork is finished, the real work of preparing it for sale begins. Today, we'll see how to turn one piece of art into a complete customer-ready digital bundle in minutes. Every digital wall art product starts with a single image. While Photoshop is great for the design phase, preparing that one image for customer downloads, creating multiple print sizes, aspect ratios, and organized folders can become a major bottleneck in your workflow. Let's look at the difference between a traditional manual workflow and this purpose-built automation for Etsy sellers. We'll start by simply uploading our artwork. Once your file is uploaded, you're ready to define the production requirements. Manually preparing different print sizes for every customer is often the largest hidden labor cost for digital art businesses. Etsy customers need a variety of frame sizes. To serve them properly, you often have to provide multiple versions of the same file. Here, you can see all the common aspect ratios and international sizes used in digital wall art. Instead of manually resizing and saving every single one of these in Photoshop, we can just select which 300 DPI sizes we want to offer. This is where hours of repetitive work get condensed into a few clicks. Next, we configure the resize behavior. Since different artworks have different needs, you can choose between a smart center crop or scaling to fit the entire artwork. This ensures your design looks perfect in every format, without you having to manually adjust each one. Now for the big moment. With our sizes and behavior set, we'll generate our previews. This is the automation in action, preparing dozens of variations simultaneously. Nice! Look at that! Here's our full suite of outputs across all selected sizes. You can review everything at once to ensure the cropping and scale are exactly how you want them before finalizing the package. You can dive into any individual preview to check the details. This gives you total confidence that your customers are getting high-quality, print-ready files for every single frame size they might use. When you're happy with the results, just hit download. This triggers the final processing, where your high-resolution files are generated, upscaled if necessary, and neatly organized into a zip file. The system is now doing the heavy lifting, upscaling for those larger print sizes and organizing everything into a structure that's ready to upload straight to Etsy. This is hours of work done in seconds. Perfect. The printable pack is ready. Let's save that to our computer and see what we've created. This simple workflow replaces a whole afternoon of manual exporting. Here is the final transformation. One single artwork has become a complete Etsy digital wall art bundle. Everything is perfectly organized into folders by aspect ratio, making it incredibly easy for both you and your customers. Each folder contains the specific sizes we selected, all high resolution and ready to print. No more hunting for files or manually renaming dozens of exports. This is scalability at its finest. The goal here isn't to replace your creative tools, but to eliminate the tedious production work that comes after. Less time exporting means more time growing your Etsy business. You're all set. If you're tired of manual resizing and file management, it's time to automate. Visit ResizeFlow.com to start turning your artwork into complete digital bundles today. Happy creating!